In this video, we will show how to unpack and set up the NucleoCounter NC-202, which is pre-validated and partially assembled by ChemoMetec experts to ease setup at your location. Unpack the NucleoCounter NC-202. Remove the rubber band. Place the laptop on the stand. Unpack the power supplies, USB and power cables, the mouse, and the screwdriver. Connect the USB cable to the NucleoCounter NC-202. Then connect the USB cable to the laptop. Connect the power cable to the instrument. Power up the instrument. Connect the PC power supply. Connect the mouse. You have successfully assembled the NucleoCounter NC-202. Now turn on the PC and launch the NC-View software. NC-View automatically connects to the instrument. Select the NucleoCounter NC-202 IQ/OQ protocol and press play. Then choose Zero Count. The message Zero Count Passed shows that the NucleoCounter NC-202 is ready to use.